Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. Well, in this video I'm going to talk about a very important topic regarding your English exam. Please listen carefully what I'm going to tell you and why it is crucial. You guys are preparing for IBPS SO exam or any other different exam. So there is one subject which is named as English language. You guys are preparing for that double fillers, sentence connectors, that RC, new pattern close test, ye wo fala dimkana and all. Okay, and it's good, you're practicing. Then you are understanding the mistakes you're doing it. Then again solving mock tests, again solving more questions. But understand one thing, if you don't understand the grammar first, the grammatical concept first, nothing much will improve. Solving mock tests, solving these things is good, but if your base only is not clear, my friend, how can you expect to get more marks in English? See, some of you say English grammar is difficult to learn, so as maths then, cat level DIs, but still you are doing it. Why I am focusing on English apart from reasoning, which I say that reasoning is the most scoring section? English can give you marks in quick time. You will not use pen and paper kind of thing which is going to be used in maths. Just imagine RC, reading comprehension or passage. What was the level of passage first? A small level of passage used to come. Yes, economics, India versus USA ka school comparison, school education and all. Then what? The length increased. Okay, you need to scroll down and there was a scroll bar. You need to scroll down, read and understand. And now what is the latest level? Passage 1, passage 2, passage 3, passage 4 kind of things. And after you read that, if you understand the concept, then only you are able to access it. And if you are not able to understand due to some English high level problems, high level words, then what? Vocabulary issues. It means you haven't worked upon it. It means what? The grammatical concepts are really must, my friend. Just imagine this thing, a simple demo. Suppose if you work on prepositions today, okay, after that say adjective, after that say adverbs, okay, 2-3 things I'm telling you, you study, and suppose after that you try to solve those double fillers or fillers question in which adjective kind of things or this preposition kinds of things are mentioned. Don't you think you will improve your performance? Why? Because you have understood the concept that how to use the particular adjective or how to use the adjective only. Why? Your success rate will increase in those questions because you know the base well. जब बेसिक बराबर होगा, obviously your performance will improve. Unfortunately, many students complain, I solved so much questions, so many questions, 300 questions, 200 questions, nothing is improving, or sometimes goes up, sometimes goes down. Means by luck पे चल रहा है. But you are not understanding grammar is must. In yesterday's video only I told you about the books and all. Grammatical books are must. Let me tell you, even if you are getting, and you will definitely get grammatical anything from the Google, study it. You need to study first English grammar. Students always say English का syllabus क्या है? अरे यार, that is easy to get. But English grammar syllabus, if you read, if you understand this concept, if you solve those MCQs or questions kind of thing, your performance will improve. Just imagine reasoning you are doing good. Okay. If to support reasoning, English plays a better role. Just imagine the pressure will be taken off from maths. You will play tuku right? Rahul Dravid also in the maths you will clear. Who wants to get 150 out of 150 or 125 out of 125? Just imagine. And especially if you are IBPS SO students, let me tell you, you just need to clear one exam. By one exam, what I mean, in mains you do not have this English stuff, reasoning stuff, math stuff. So एक बार तुम लोग को संभालना है. Somehow you have to manage it. You can. And This video I'm making in June. Don't you think 2 months, 3 months down the line your grammatical will be solid? It will create a strong foundation for your English questions, and when then you will move to the questions now, yeah, definitely improve hoga. I'm not telling you that you will able to solve 50 questions. नहीं, time भी है, but see, you will try to depend on grammatical questions. Even if I skip the RCK direct questions, you will try to solve grammatical so fast, so quickly. Why? Because you have changed your strategy. Not just mock, yeah, not just 200 questions. You understood the grammar first. शुरुआत में दिक्कत होगी. You will find problems when you start, but it's completely alright. When you're starting something new, you might get uncomfortable, but my friend, just see the impact. In 2020, when you clear, when that result will be announced on next 1st April, just imagine you will remember these days that you thought to work upon these grammatical things. Even reasoning, if he's a person, reasoning will feel, yeah, something is there to give me a backup. Make it English, no? And see, English and maths, which one is better? If you have problems in both, roughly, obviously you choose English, because maths mein to every sum you need to solve so many shortcut things. But comparatively, I'm telling you, comparatively, if you have issues in both, then choose English. Because if you take so much time to solve one maths ka question, then imagine even to get 20 marks out of 50, you will take so much time. So think, grammar is must. Imagine when you solve that close test ka new pattern questions, why it becomes difficult? Because students think, nay, I think the same blank which is kept there, it suits. Then you read the other 4 options, oh my god, it is good. But when you go grammatically, you will understand, no, that's an adverb, the ly kind of thing, it does not suit here. Why do you know it? Because you understood the concept. Take a target, give it. I'm not saying daily ka ek chapter khatam karo, no, I will not tell you that. Even if you are picking up, say, prepositions, first see how many prepositions are there. I know you will get random things from the random websites. Write it down, whatever it is, and set a time. Even if you give 7 days, it doesn't matter. Abhi you have time. Right now you have so much time. Tenses, okay, even if you set 12 tenses, it will take a time to read, okay. And हमें ना भागदौड़ में करना नहीं है. You do not have to do in a hurry mode. Tenses should be clear, so give a time. But at the end of this 10 days, 12 days, you should be sure that at least out of 10 8 you can get. I will not even tell you 10 out of 10, because even after learning there is an area of improvement. But imagine then tenses ke MCQs, whether sentence error, sentence correction, you can solve. Why? Because you know the basics. Give a target. Let me tell you. To make it interesting, let me tell you, start with adjectives if you want to start. So I will give first chapter adjectives. Take time. Take whatever content you can read from the Google. पागल बनो. Inventions पहले भी हुए ना, when there was no internet. Why? They were passionate. See, your dream is to get that particular bank job. You want to get that particular degree. You want to get that particular status. Efforts भी खुद को मारने पड़ेंगे. And if you do that, let me tell you, you will enjoy study. And if you enjoy study, things will get better. Problem with the students is when the vacancies are out, sir, 20 vacancies, how will manage? अरे boss, 20 vacancies हो या 200, your dedication should be same. It's not like that, na, that 200 vacancies are there, so I will just relax. No, you will do the efforts in the same manner. So looking at the vacancy is just a formality. I know there is a bit of concern over there when you look at 20 vacancies, but you need to think that those who are the people who are going to take away those 20 vacancies, they are also worried, but still they will clear. How? Same happened na this year HR, 20 vacancies, still they took the vacancies. After that 32, forget that, because they were not aware of 32 is going to happen. Think like that. have a right mindset, if you do your grammars correct, let me tell you, it will really improve your performance. You will feel much comfortable. Addition to reasoning thing, start planning. Let me tell you, this is the video I'm making on June 9. Yeah, so let it be complete June 30. Set 2-3 targets or even 2 chapters, but make sure you do it with full dedication. Because see, to be very honest, I'm not worried if you do it honestly or not. It's your performance, it's your honesty, it's your exam, it's your personal thing if you want to become or not. This is not like school का चुन्नू मुन्नू exam. If you are doing a fake with me, मेरा कोई loss नहीं if I tell you. That's what I'm telling you. Show your dedication till June 30. Give some target and arrange some target for 15 days, so that you get a particular amount of time to study those one concept or 2 concept, and then increase your speed looking at whatever the grammar chapter you're going to learn. Okay, so prepare well, and I'm sure your English can improve. Thanks for watching. Thank you.